Good morning, and this is our life, our daily life, daily routine in every day. And please subscribe and support if gusto niyo pang makita yung ginagawa namin sa buhay. And we are very thankful na nakakatulong kayo sa akin. And support system lang naman kami dito. Ayan. We don't know what the future holds to us because eto lang kami working hard and also think positive in ways. This is me once again, my daily routine and paglilinis lang naman dito. Tanggalin yung alikabok para ma-maintain yung cleanliness. And ayun, pag walang delivery, ito yung ginagawa ko kasi pagka merong delivery, mag-checker ako. I check always sa pinapalabas ng mga item, mga product, ganun. And also, please subscribe my channel, guys, to support and gain some confidence. Alam naman natin na hindi ako ganun ka-confident. Meron akong anxiety kasi ang dami kong iniisip na baka hindi ako magustuhan ng mga tao. So, eto na.